In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt charts and timeline view in Asana. Whether you're a team manager, a project planner, or someone just beginning your journey with project management tools, understanding how to leverage these features in Asana can elevate your productivity and ensure your projects run smoothly. To get started, you need to navigate to the Asana website, which you can find at www.asana.com. If you already have an account, simply click on Login to access your dashboard. No worries if you're new to Asana, just click on Get Started or try for free to create your account. Once you're in, you'll be ready to begin organizing your projects efficiently. Now let's create a project in Asana. When you're on the dashboard, you will notice options to start a new project. Here, you can either choose from a variety of templates that Asana provides or opt to create a blank project. Choosing a template could save you time if it matches your needs closely, but feel free to start fresh if you have a unique vision in mind. Once you've created your project, it's time to familiarize yourself with the different viewing options. Navigate to your project's main page, and at the top you'll see different view formats such as list, board, calendar, and timeline. Timeline is the view we'll focus on as it presents your project in a Gantt chart format. Selecting the timeline view transforms your project into a horizontal bar chart that visually represents your tasks over time. You can see how all tasks interconnect and overlap, providing an overview of the entire project timeline. Next, you'll want to populate your project with tasks. To do this, click on the Add Task button. As you create tasks, you'll have the ability to set important details like start dates, due dates, and assign tasks to team members. Furthermore, you can define task dependencies, ensuring that activities follow a logical sequence. Once your tasks are added, it's critical to adjust their duration to match your project requirements. This is easily done in the timeline view. Simply drag the edges of the taskbars to extend or shorten the time allocated for each task. Doing so directly within the timeline gives you a dynamic and flexible way to visualize the project's progression. As you make these adjustments, Asana automatically recalculates the timelines and dependencies for each task to reflect any changes you've made. This feature enables you to effortlessly adapt to changes and ensures you keep track of everything in one place without missing a beat. By familiarizing yourself with Gantt charts and the timeline view in Asana, you can manage projects more effectively, keep your team aligned, and ensure timelines are clear and attainable. It's an invaluable tool in optimizing project management, allowing for better planning and execution of tasks, so dive in and explore all the features Asana has to offer.